Let's talk about white hairs. What is white hairs? We in scientific term call them as canities. Premature graying of hair is called canities because we know aging is a continuous process. So everybody has to become old one day. Definitely we will get white hair someday. But if it is happening very early, then it is called as premature graying of hair, which is a major concern. Again, as I said previously, there are so many changes which we are seeing in the skin and hair of the patients nowadays, which we never used to see previously. So previously, if people used to complain about white hairs, it was in 40s that they used to complain about white hairs or premature graying. But again, we see now kids who are 15, 16 years old also complaining about premature graying of hairs. And we see many young adults in 20s and 25s also complaining of premature graying of hair. So let's find out the actual reasons behind this problem. Many people, graying of hair depends upon their genes. So if there is a family history where the maternal or paternal side of premature graying of hair, then their kids will get even more earlier, even 5 years earlier than when their parents started getting white hairs. So suppose mother got white hairs at the age of 30s, then the daughter can get white hairs even at the age of 20s. So that is why we ask the history of graying of hairs, maternal side and paternal side, whenever a patient complains of premature graying of hair. Second, nutritional deficiencies. Calcium pantothenate deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency. These deficiencies can cause premature graying of hair. That is the reason the kids now who eat a lot of junk food, who take a lot of burgers, pizzas, have less of fruits, vegetables, boiled egg and fish, all these, curd, who do not have sufficient quantities of these food can complain about premature graying of hair. So right kind of diet and nutrition is very important if you don't want early white hairs. Again, stress is a major concern. So previously stress was not a major problem, but as of now it has a severe social impact. So stress in fact is considered as a major disease, and we see more and more people facing this problem to the extent that we have many more psychiatrists now even in India, which was the scenario previously in abroad. So previously very few people used to go to psychiatrists in India, and it was a big deal to attend to a psychiatric clinic or meet a psychiatrist or a psychologist. But of late there is a huge population drift which has gone into stress, and they have a lot of psychological problems and they need medical treatment or counseling. So this is a scenario which is happening even in the younger generation. Small things like exams, breaking up with a girlfriend are major issues for the younger generation now, and they feel a lot of stress. So this stress again can cause an impact on your hair, and it can be a major reason for causing premature graying of hair. Incapacitating or inability to actually enjoy your life to the fullest is making people bait to this stress. So I advise everybody to have a healthy lifestyle, eat on time, sleep on time, balance your career, your physical health, your mental health and your family life. Give priority to all four equally. That's when the stress is at bay and you can actually prevent premature graying of hair. So if you come to us, we can advise you on the right kind of diet. A lot of animal foods contain B12. Unfortunately, many vegetarians have premature graying of hair because B12 is a source which is only from an animal source of food you can get B12. So a lot of vegetarians who are not even vegetarians, they have majorly this vitamin B12 deficiency. So we have to give them supplementation for vitamin B12 so that they do not have premature graying of hair. So all this can help you to actually take care of your hair and look younger and more smarter. Thank you so much. Signing off, Dr. Vimala Manne.